This bodybuilder invaded the jiu-jitsu gym and challenged the master in the most disrespectful way possible. The bodybuilder rushes the master. The master gets control of his back, then slaps him more harder than an African mom. The jiu-jitsu master even puts him up against a female student, and she ends up putting him to sleep.